Hello and welcome to this session of Amazon KDP for smartphone. In this quick video, I'll be introducing you to what Amazon KDP is. Amazon KDP is a self-publishing platform where you can self-publish books as Kindle version, that's the ebook, or as paperback. You set your price and Amazon displays it to its large audience, and as a copy sells, you get your part, Amazon gets its part. So I will explain deeply as you go into the course. You will see more explanations on how to create these books, how to publish these books, and so on. So this video is just a quick brush. I want you to get familiar with some terms and kind of the Amazon KDP account, so that when I start, you don't feel lost. So when you start, this is your Amazon KDP account. Don't panic. You will learn how to create yours in the next module. You will learn how to create your own KDP account in the next module. This video is just to show you how it looks like, so that when you get there, you don't get confused. And also, there's possibility of updates. You can read that when you got this course, Amazon has updated their site. There is no problem. The processes don't change on how to create an account. So now this the KDP dashboard. You can see there's a new dashboard. Once you create a book, it will show up here. So the other book you create, it will show at this place. Now, once that's done, to create a book, you click on this create icon here. Click on create. Now we have the Kindle ebook, paperback, hardcover, and series. Now in this course, we're focusing on only Kindle ebook and paperback. Now what are their differences? Kindle ebook are books that can be read on on devices, smartphones, laptops, iPads, and so on. They are soft copies of books. While paperback are the hard copies. So you can publish your book, the same book, as both Kindle version and paperback version. It helps increase sales, so it's advisable. In this course, we're talking about 5 models: evergreen model, journal creation, notebook creation, color book creation, and summary model. Now, in these 5 models, for summary and evergreen, you always create Kindle version and paperback version. That's the best way to do it. But for the rest, notebook, color book, and journals, you can't create Kindle version, only paperback version. Now, so the paperback is the hard copy, of the book. So these are the kind of books you can create. And if you want to create ebook, you just click on create ebook. It takes you here where you fill a kind of, form. The first part is the details, Kindle ebook details. Second part is the content. Here you put the content, that's your manuscript, the book content, and the paper and the cover of the book. Upload it here. Then the price in the touch, where you set the price. So for the Kindle ebook, there is no hard thing here. So first, you can see the language, English, book title. Put the book title here. I'll tell you about book title as you progress through the course. Subtitle is also important, but it's not a must. If you like, don't put it, but your book needs subtitle. It helps in giving you a good positioning online. Now, if your book is a series, click on add series details, edition number, optional, we don't use that. Author name, you should have to put the author name, either your pen name or your real name, but for this course, I advise we use pen names if your names are local to your origin. Like I'm a Nigerian, my names are local to Nigeria, so I use pen names to sell my books on Amazon to a largely dominant US audience. I'll explain that better when you go through the course. So author name. Now in book description, this way you describe your book. You write it here, or you copy and paste the text here. Publishing rights, I own the copyright, or this is a public domain work. All our works we own the copyright, so we always click the first one. Now keywords, it's optional, but it's very, very essential. So this is where you put your keywords. So when you hear me talk about keywords in the course, this is the place you are going to insert keywords when publishing our book. Now categories, select categories for your book. What's genre? Non-fiction. Under non-fiction, what kind of non-fiction? Is it business, health, family, stuff like that? All that you will see. Then age grade, if your book is for a kind of audience, maybe it's not for children or not for adults less than 20 years, or not for teenagers, you can specify the age range here. Now once you're done, next is to save and continue. Move to the next page, is the details, the content page. Here you just have to upload the manuscript, upload the book cover, and you move to the pricing stage. You set the price. Coming back to the bookshelf, continue without saving, because we don't have any details here, so we can't move to the next stage, which is the content stage. But as progress through the course, you are going to see how I do all of that. Now let's come back to the bookshelf. Continue without saving. Coming. I think I have network issues, so let me refresh the page. Okay, so I paused to get network. So now this we are back to our bookshelf. This is a bookshelf. Whatever books you publish will appear here. So now after the bookshelf, you can see reports. Reports. Now this is where you check your royalties, how many books you have sold, how many copies, amount you have made. Now I have no published book. This is a fresh account, so I can't see anything here. So let's go back. Now this is a community. Now this is not the community for this course. This is the community for KDP publishers. KDP publishers. So you can come here to read questions, get answers to questions that are disturbing you. You can just come and you can see, just look for questions and just enter, and you can see my book was blocked. This is a topic. You just go inside, then you read what people are saying, reasons for that to happen, stuff like that. So this is the community for KDP publishers. Now for this course we still have a community, so that's a different one, so don't get confused. So let's go back to the bookshelf. So now then this is the marketing. Let's say you want to run ads for your book. In this course we are not teaching how to run ads for our books. We are publishing without ads and getting sales, but ads help to increase it. If you have the money to run ads, I tell you it's a very, very good thing on Amazon. It can help you skyrocket your sales. But if you don't have the money to run sales, you can start for now, go slowly, and when you get the money you increase your sales by running ads. So that's what the marketing does. Now back to the bookshelf. So what other things should I talk about here? Okay, sometimes you might have issues. You want to send a mail to Amazon, like you maybe made a mistake in a book title, or you made a mistake when writing the title, or you uploaded the wrong file. So you want to contact Amazon immediately before they spot it, because I normally tell people, if you make a mistake, be the first to reach out to Amazon. Don't wait for them to reach out to you, because it might be termination straight. So just reach out to them immediately spot that mistake. So just come to your bookshelf, scroll to the bottom, you will see contact us. You can see it here, contact us. So click on contact us. Once you click on contact us, now they say select a topic from the left. So it depends on what issue you're complaining about. Depends on what issue. If let's say it's about your account, your payment account, stuff like that, click on this. You select something, change email or password, close account, get started publishing a book, stuff like that, tax information. You come here, send email about that. If it's about I think the easy one that will easily make mistake is book titles. When you make mistake in your book title, come to manage your book and series, click on that. Now delete unpublished or link books on bookshelf, enter book detail and upload a book, republish or update a published book. Now if you have published the book, you want to update a published book, so just click on this. So now they will not tell you send us an email, give us a phone call, ask the community. So you can just click send us an email. So sometimes you can remove this whole thing and write your own fresh mail. But some details from these things are needed. Like when complaining about the book has an ASIN number. But if it's a book in review, there is no ASIN number or ISBN. So that's fine. So you just write your mail here, and when you're done, click on send message. It will send to them. If your complaint has a picture, you have a screenshot to make, you can click on add file, add the picture and send. They'll get the mail and they'll respond to you in your email. So that is that for this video. So as you progress through the course, I wish you a safe landing. Pay attention to everything I'll be saying in the videos. Pay attention to them. See you in the next video.